this video, we'll look at the different ways to autofill in Android. So let's head to the Bitwarden app, go to the settings menu, click Autofill, and then enable Autofill Services. Choose Bitwarden from the list, click Change, and then choose the Bitwarden option from the overlay. Choose the item from your vault and press Login. And here's the same flow, but with an unlocked vault. Next, let's refresh the page, and we'll look at the second option. So heading back to Bitwarden, we'll go to the settings menu, choose Autofill, and select Use Inline Autofill menu. We'll head back to the website, tap into the field, choose Bitwarden from the keyboard, choose your login item, and hit Login. And here's the same flow, but with an unlocked vault. For the next one, we'll refresh the page, head back to Bitwarden, and then go to the settings menu, choose Autofill, and enable Use Accessibility. Click Accept on the prompt, choose Bitwarden, and enable Use Bitwarden. Select Allow, and then head back to the website. From here, pull down on your Android device, choose Autofill Tile, and then select your item from the Bitwarden vault. And here's the same flow, but with an unlocked vault.